Hello and welcome to Sharpie's Garage. This is just a very quick video on the timing pins on a 2 litre VW. We're working on a T5. There's a pin that goes into the back plate on the fuel pump pulley. And on this model you've got a little oval cutout on the cam pulley. You slot it in the middle so you've got a bit of movement in your cam pulley. And on the crank pulley it sits on the top. If you see that little pin pointed towards about 7 o'clock-ish. Oh, that comes in handy for somebody. At least you know what you're coming up against. Sorry it's not a full timing belt video, but unfortunately I just didn't have the time. Okay, hope this helps somebody. Good luck and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.